Well, I have been said to speak about my school and my association with the school. I feel so happy to realize that my school has completed its 25th year, and looking back, what an incredible journey it has been. And I feel so happy that I had been a part of the school, and my uh, association and relationship with everyone in the school has been always been very deep and intense and very emotional of sort. And I always have this sense of pride and that my school has been associated with so many noble causes over the years. You feel very emotional when you talk about your school, and it has been always very difficult for me to express in words how my relationship with my school has been, or what impact it had on my life. um, but as always, I would say the same thing, that whatever little I am today, it's because of my school. It's because of all the teachers who acted as the guiding force in my life. I consider them to be the lighthouse, the anchor of my life, because uh, I would always be indebted to them for all the values, discipline, sense of empathy that they have inculcated in me, and I believe they have always helped me to become a better person each passing day. I miss my school. I miss sitting on the benches. I miss playing cricket on the field. I miss sports day. I miss everything about my school. But yeah, and the only thing I would want back in my life is being a part of it again, and just studying there. And I have always loved academics. I have loved taking part in the co-curricular activities, and my school has always given me that opportunity to uh, to show and to be confident enough to take part in all the competitions and try and excel. The school is always the pace which gives you the confidence, which make you realize that what you are capable of or what you want to be good at. And Assembly of Angels has always been my base and my roots. And when a tree generally grows bigger in life, it always hold on to its roots. And I believe I have always tried and I have done that. And I wish all the best to everyone associated with this school.